In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook events to your Google Calendar in a few easy steps. This method is perfect for those of you who want to consolidate your events and have everything neatly organized in one place. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your Facebook account in your web browser. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Events section. You can find the Events option in the left-hand menu of your Facebook homepage. Clicking on it will show you a list of upcoming events that you are interested in or planning to attend. Now take a look at the events listed and select the one you wish to add to your Google Calendar. Once you click on an event, you'll see all the details, including the date, time, and location. Look for the menu icon represented by three dots, typically located next to the event title, and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Find and select the option labeled Add to Calendar. By doing this, you're initiating the process to export the event details. Next, you should see an option to export. Click on this to download the event details as an iCalendar.ics file to your computer. With the file downloaded, it's time to switch gears and head over to Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in a new browser tab. On the left side, find the plus sign next to Other Calendars. Click on the plus sign, and you'll have several choices. What you want is import. Select it, and a dialog box will pop up. In the dialog box, you will see an option to select a file from your computer. Click on Select File from your computer to open your file manager. Navigate to the location where you saved the iCalendar file and select it. This file contains all the details of the Facebook event you just exported. Once you have selected the file, look for the Import button at the bottom of the dialog box. Clicking this imports the .ics file into your Google Calendar. After a few moments, a confirmation message should appear, letting you know that your import was successful. Lastly, click on OK to close the dialog box, and you're all set. Check your calendar to confirm that the event appears there on the correct date and time. By following these steps, you've successfully added a Facebook event to your Google Calendar, ensuring you stay on top of your plans with ease. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With this process, linked events from Facebook can now seamlessly integrate into your Google Calendar, making managing your schedule much easier. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy scheduling!